Welcome to our tutorial on how to copy your WhatsApp community invite link. In this video, we'll guide you through the updated process, ensuring you can easily share your community with others. Let's dive right in. First, open your WhatsApp app. You'll notice the familiar green icon on your home screen. Tap it to launch the application. Once WhatsApp is open, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a new tab called Communities. It's represented by 3 people icons. Go ahead and tap on this tab. Now, you'll see a list of all the communities you're part of. Find the specific community you want to share and tap on it to open it up. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button. Tap on these dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Community Info. You're almost there. On the Community Info page, scroll down until you see the Invite option. Tap on it to proceed. Finally, you'll see a Copy Link button. Tap this and voila! The invite link for your WhatsApp community is now copied to your clipboard. And there you have it. You've successfully copied your WhatsApp community invite link. Now, you can paste this link anywhere you'd like. In a text message, an email, or even on your social media platforms to invite others to join your community. Remember, only share this link with people you trust, as anyone with the link can join your community. It's a great way to grow your group, but always prioritize the privacy and security of your community members. We hope this guide has been helpful. If you found value in this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy community building.